Hello everyone, this is Kalyan. So today I'll be going to discuss one of the source repository like a GitHub, how to use the GitHub, and also how to set up your local environment to check in and check out the code from the GitHub account. Also, this is very useful nowadays. And further, let me do some small steps for installation wise and as well as going logging into your GitHub account also. In Ubuntu, if you want to install the another source repository access where like a checking and check out, we have a rabbit VCS is there. If you want to install the rabbit VCS, there are options here. So first we need to register the repository, then update the your Ubuntu repository, then install this, and after doing this one you need to restore the your OS also. So let me do first these things, then we'll go for the another source repository also, Git Eye. So you can follow the steps. It will ask you the password. Provide your system password. Then it will ask for enter to continue. Just enter. The next command is sudo apt-get update. This may take time also. Depends on your previous request also. If you already done, it will be very fast. Otherwise, it will take a more time. So my for me it is completed. Let's install the rabbit. Just say why. It's going to download it and it's going to installing. Once this installation is completed, is restart is required to reflect this change. So it is done. So let's restart the system. It's booted. Let's log in into system. Let's maximize the window by just this option. Okay. Let's open my comments file also. The other comments. Okay. So is it installed or not? How can you verify it? You can go to your work directory or anywhere. You can right click it. If this rabbit option is coming, is so the rabbit is is properly installed. Now after that, just log into your GitHub account if you have it. So how to use the GitHub account, how to create a GitHub account, let's please everyone see. Type GitHub and go here, first link. So if you want to sign up here, provide your all details and say sign up. And already I have my account. Let me log in into my account. So I log into my account. So you want to see the projects related to all these things, you can click here. You can see your profile information, everything also. And you want to create your new repository or like a new organization, you can go for it. And these are all my repositories also publicly available. and some private you want to make it, you can make it. This is for like a paid service, and some sources, if anyone is poked on this, it will be going to come here also. So like this we have some other projects also available. You want to create a new project also, you can create it. Let me show you that one. That is what creating a new repository. So you can click on here, create new repository. Then I want to give the some name here, maybe demo GitHub. This is my project, and you want to give an optional description also, you can demo GitHub, and you want to make it public or private, it's up to you, and based on that the GitHub will take care. And you want to make the same description in the file, like the readme file also, you can make it, and say click on create. So now this will create your GitHub project inside that. And you want to download this project, means you have an option here, download the zip, or else you can go by these links also. So before go for the download option, we'll be going to installing the one kind of UI option to play with all these things. That is what Git Eye. Let me show here. So this is a link to go to Git Eye. You can open your browser and you can paste this link also. So Git Eye supports like a different flavors of the OS also, Windows, Linux, Mac are also. So I have a Linux, I'll go here. And if it's 32-bit, you can download 32-bit one. If it is 64-bit, you can download here. So currently I have already downloaded this one, and I will use my downloaded version of the Git Eye. So you can copy this one to your work directory, and you can unzip it. So now it is available. It just same as like a Eclipse, and you can click on the Git Eye icon. So it's giving some message. Let me verify it. So it's providing 1.6 actually, so better to give always Java 1.7 in the class path. Let's give a fix for this. git.ini file, first line -vm, then provide the path of your Java till cd/user lib jvm java -1.7.0 gre is this the one? You can provide this, or else ad bin also awd. Let me check with the first this one, or else we'll go for the jar. And let me click on again this icon. We're specifically providing like which version of the Java you have to use. So now it is started. So you can also make a note for that, updating the git.env file with this line. and let's check this eye. So here you have an option like you want to clone it or you want to create it based on the account. You can go further. Already we have the Git project here. Let's clone it. Take this URL, clone URL, and give it to this link. Provide a clone URI. Say next. This is what the information on the repository path also, and provide your GitHub details also for future purpose. So I given my details. Let's say next. This is the master. Let's say next and say finish. Now this will download it to your local system, and also this is showing in the here. You just want to add, you can click on OK, or else you can cancel. This is not a mandatory. Now here check. This is what the project, and you can verify that project inside the your home Git folder. This is what. Now suppose you want to add any files here. So let's say Kalyan. So demo for GitHub. Let's save it. And you want to add this file to your GitHub account is, you can check it right now, refresh it. There's only readme file is there. Okay, you want to add this one is just add a new file here, and you can come and verify here. There is a file Kalyan is, just I click on that file, say add to index. This file is added, and you can click on top level here and right click on this, say team here, then opposite option is the commit, and here it will expect your details, provide your details. @gmail.com. This is what my information, and which are the files you want to add. This one also you can set, and provide a comment here like a add a new file, some comment. It's always better to give this one. It's easy to, you can say commit, and you can say commit and push and cancel. Commit is just giving the information, committing the data, but not pushing into your GitHub account. You want to push everything one shot means you can so do commit. Later you can do commit and push. Now I'll go for commit and push because I just want to insert this data into directly my GitHub also. Commit and push. If credentials are correctly means it's going to accept. So provide your credentials properly. Now the source code will be hit into this one. You can also check the details. So let's verify it. So this is .ignore file I have done, Kalyan file I have done. In this Kalyan file, if you see, the content will be demo for Git. It's not only adding the file. Suppose I feel like I want to remove it and I want to add a comment also. You can do it. Let's verify. I want to delete this file. Say delete action. I want to update this file. Do more changes. I have done this. Now these two things I want to check in it. I click on here, set it, commit. In between, one is deleted here, other one is updated. So deleted Kalyan file for testing. testing, commit and push. So your details. So now things will be reflected in the GitHub account. Now that file is deleted, and I also add one more content as what, do more changes. So all this information you can check in the option called commits. What may be done, an initial comment, add a new file, deleted for the tiling. Okay, so you want to revert these things also, you will be having option here also, you're going to get it. You want to check the history, all these features will be there actually. Synchronous workshop, show in history, what might be things are done. You can, because we have provided the information, everything in the Git Eye, that's the reason you can able to take it. So what I have done, like a deletion of this file and as well as this. In this time I added these two files. Here I done the base check-in only. So like this, every information will be maintained here. So this is very useful tool in real time. Like if you want to play with like a GitHub account, or maybe like a different kind of source repositories like a CVS, or maybe like a ClearCase, or maybe SVN. So up to you. So I just want to show as well, my interest is like a GitHub account which is very famous nowadays in the market, and how to use that one easily. So hope you got the idea, and because this will be as part of my project trainings, I'm going to put some projects here. My students can able to always follow this one. So thanks for your time, hope you got enjoyed.